Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mazda CX-5 fuel cap. To begin, find the fuel door, which is always located on the driver's side of your vehicle. It's important to note that the CX-5 fuel door does not feature an external release button. Simply ensure your car is unlocked before you proceed, and you'll be ready for the next step in this straightforward process. Next, you'll need to find the remote fuel filler lid release lever inside the cabin. This lever is usually located on the floor, to the left of the driver's seat, or sometimes on the lower dashboard, often hidden from plain sight. Give this lever a firm pull upwards or outwards, and you should hear the fuel door pop open, indicating it's unlatched and ready. With the fuel door now open, you can access the fuel cap. To remove it, simply turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Be sure to listen for any hissing sound and wait for it to stop before fully removing the cap. Most Mazda CX-5 models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel door where you can place the cap while you refuel. After you've finished refueling, securely replace the fuel cap by twisting it clockwise until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's sealed properly. Next, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches firmly into place. For those interested in personal finance, I highly recommend checking the description below. You'll find a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other valuable deals. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve their financial outlook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.